welcome to Rose Colored Plans. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you have watched my videos before, welcome back. My name is Jen and I am excited to be planning today. I am going to be planning in my dashboard layout happy planner. I will be planning for the week of July 5th through the 11th, and I wanted to show what I will be using first, and then I will jump into planning. So I'm going to be using some teal colored washi, and I'll use the Fun Florals sticker book, and I pulled some stuff from the watercolor sticker book and Going Places. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that the washi's down, I'm going to grab some of the stickers that I pulled from the Fun Floral sticker book. Okay, I'm going to keep working on this side. I'm going to grab some stickers from the Going Places sticker book too. So I have these bullet washi tapes, and I'm going to grab some bullet points from these so I can just kind of mark out my day, and like I use this as a checklist for what I'm going to do each day. So I'll just put a couple bullet points down and focus on a couple of rooms or a couple of just major chores in the house, or even outside of the house too, like mowing and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get those down. Okay, on July 10th, there is actually a birthday, so I am going to look in my Celebrate sticker book and grab some balloons and a little a box. Okay, so I pulled those up so I can actually replace them to make room for that balloon. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a sticker, a happy birthday sticker from here. These little script happy birthday stickers are by Tiff Makes Things, and I love the way they look. So I'm gonna place that right. I'm gonna move it over just a bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, this side is actually finished, so I'm going to move on to the other side. First thing I'm actually going to do is cover up this with just a white piece of cardstock. I have scrap cardstock, like extra pieces, so that's what I use to cover up my boxes if I need to cover something up. I'm also going to white out some stuff. So now I am going to again grab some of the flowers that I used over here and just place them on the sheet. Okay, I really like, okay, I'm gonna have to move these down because this one you can't really see. Might add a couple boxes up here just to make it fun, and then I'll put a grocery list or something labeled fair. Sorry about that. My on my phone I have the like the time limit for like social media and stuff, and I just hit that time, so it blocked my phone, so that kind of sucked. But so this is what I have so far, and I am just gonna add these little scripts from the handwritten plans sticker book, and then I'm going to call it good. Okay, I decided to just keep grocery because the list wasn't quite fitting the way I expected it to. So I'm just gonna put grocery because it's where I write like any groceries I need for the week. I have an appointment this day. I'm gonna grab a appointment sticker, and then I think I'll be done. Okay, so I grabbed this appointment sticker from the Essential Planning sticker book, and I'm just gonna put it on the 8th. I have an appointment, a therapy appointment, so that will be good. I'm actually gonna pull the sticker up. All right, this is everything. I like the way it turned out. I love the colors and how they go together. And I love the addition of just the little details. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like. And if you'd like to see more of how I decorate my planner and the different layouts I use, please subscribe. And if you'd like to see more of my planner posts and things like that, check out my Instagram page. Again, thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.